what type of ROI for one of your typical customers, however defined, can they see from a cost, energy, and carbon perspective using your tech and your solutions?
Depending on the size of the space, it scales up and down. We're not compromising on the indoor air quality. In fact, we're often improving it. Generally, we're able to deliver for a retrofit, which for us means we're adding our air scrubbing modules, our air cleaning modules to an existing HVAC system. Typically, we're looking at somewhere between a 3 to 5 year payback period in our target markets. And these would be markets where you have hot summers and cold winters, you have medium to high energy costs. Maybe you have some utility incentives that might help with some of the first costs. So that's those are the economics, sort of financial metrics for a typical retrofit project. For new construction, it's even better. Because for new construction, first of all, you've got less overhead because you can put your equipment in with other equipment, so there's less of an additional incremental cost there. But the other benefit is when we're designing mechanical systems with air cleaning like ours, where you're reducing the requirement for outside air, you can reduce the tonnage you need for heating and cooling. You can downsize new HVAC systems and get a first cost benefit on the core HVAC system by adding this air cleaning capability. So in those cases, the payback can be immediate or maybe a few years, but it's very attractive in terms of for new construction applications or anytime you're replacing HVAC systems. So also end of life, you'd have a similar scenario there with a first cost benefit.